In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to audit time entries in QuickBooks Time using a laptop browser. Keeping a clean, accurate time log is essential for payroll, billing, and compliance, and this walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and what to review. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Time account on your laptop. Make sure you're in the correct company and that you have the permissions to view timesheets. Once you're in, look to the left navigation menu and select Reports. This is your reporting hub, and it includes a section designed specifically for tracking changes and viewing detailed activity. Within Reports, click Logging and Auditing. This area captures the behind-the-scenes record of time data. From here, choose Timesheet Log. The timesheet log displays all recorded time entries for your team in one place, making it easy to spot patterns, gaps, or inconsistencies. Use the filters to narrow your view to the period and people you care about. You can set a date range, pick a specific employee, or focus on a project. A good practice is to start with a single pay period or job, then expand as needed. Filtering keeps the list manageable and helps you concentrate on the entries that matter most right now. Open and review each time entry carefully. Check clock in and clock out times to ensure they align with scheduled shifts or job expectations. Confirm the total hours worked, look reasonable for the day, and read any notes or comments that provide context, such as job site details, break explanations, or corrections. Pay special attention to any edits made. The log shows when changes happened and, in many cases, who made them, so you can trace adjustments back to their source and verify they were appropriate. If you need a copy for records or to share with payroll, click Export to download the audit report. Choose the format that works best for your process, save it to a secure location, and include it with your payroll package or job documentation. When you need to confirm approvals, use the Approval History Report to see which time entries were approved and by whom. This is especially helpful when reconciling discrepancies or answering questions from payroll or project managers. That's all there is to it. With the timesheet log, targeted filters, and the Approval History Report, you can audit time entries quickly and confidently. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.